Hey, LinkedIn learning people and probably Facebook. I'll probably post this on Facebook too. Happy Monday, my favorite day of the entire week. Hopefully you're out there crushing it. I'm so excited. Like Sunday night, I just get antsy. I'm so excited to get into the week because I just have great stuff to share with you guys, and that's why I'm doing this quick video. And I just wanted to talk very quickly about the importance of turning your employees into brand advocates for your business. So this is an interesting topic. I talk to a lot of my clients about this. People on your team are literally your biggest and strongest asset, especially when it comes to social media. So when it comes to LinkedIn, guys, don't limit yourself by just having your business development people out there pushing your products and services, okay? If you're in the business to business game, you sell products and services business to business, this is a long-term play. It's a long-term play. Timing, need, money, it's absolutely everything when it comes to selling, whatever it is that you're selling. So play the long-term approach by taking your employees, turning them into brand advocates, get them sharing content for your company, get your CFO, your director of operations, various people on your team to go out and just and share the value of what it is you guys are able to do. Socially surround your clients, your prospects, keep in front of them, stay top of mind, and you're gonna find yourself doing a lot more business, especially directly from LinkedIn, like closing more deals, having stronger relationships with your customers. And there's a lot of unique ways that you can do that. So if you have questions like specifics about that, comment them below. I'll create another video on them, but I just wanted to talk super high level here for a quick second. Take your company, take your team, and start turning them into your own brand advocates. Kind of think of it like this, like a consumer product would, someone who sells a consumer product, they go out and they hire a bunch of like advocates, people with significant social media followings. You can accomplish the same thing with your team and very, very little cost, like very little monetary investment besides the time investment to train and get that stuff rolling. So hope you guys are having an awesome Monday and look forward to chatting with you again soon. See ya.